Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. In today's video, I'm actually recording this intro after we've gone fishing, but it's my first time going out on the boat in a while. But it's a rainy, like kind of cold and windy day, so it was a grind. But I fished with all artificials, so I was actually kind of proud of how I did. You guys are gonna see that. Sure, it could have been better, but it also could have been worse. And then my dad's friend and his son were out and they were catching their first like redfish, so it was just nice to see. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video and thank you guys for watching. That was one we could use that cut bait. Interesting. There we go.
Oh, that is on. The artificial.
Yep.
Hopefully it's got found.
I think it is. Yep.
Yeah. We got live shrimp and you got on the artificial.
I put in the work for my fish.
I think bigger. 16. They raised it a year or two ago.
Doc, can you take my photo?
The bait feeder is right here.
I haven't been splashed in the face by salt water in a minute. You want to reel it in? Yeah, Joby.